Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Energy Brew in Arc. This powerful concoction is a game changer for any survivor, providing a much-needed stamina boost when you need it most. We'll cover everything from gathering the necessary ingredients to the simple crafting steps, ensuring you can keep your adventures going without running out of steam. Get ready to enhance your Arc experience. To begin crafting your Energy Brew, you'll need a few key ingredients. First, gather 20 mejoberries and 20 stimberries. These are easily found on bushes throughout the Arc. You'll also need 2 narcotic, which can be crafted from 5 narcoberries and 1 spoiled meat each. Finally, ensure you have 1 thatch and a water skin that is at least 1/4 full of water. These items are crucial for the next step. Once you have all your ingredients, head over to a cooking pot or an industrial cooker. Place the 20 mejoberries, 20 stimberries, 2 narcotic, 1 thatch, and your water skin into the inventory of the cooker. Add a fuel source, such as wood or spark powder, and light the fire. The brew will cook quickly, typically within 30 seconds. Each successful batch will yield 5 potent energy brews, ready to be consumed. Now that you've crafted your Energy Brew, let's talk about its incredible benefits. When consumed, Energy Brew instantly restores 40 stamina points, allowing you to sprint longer, swim further, or swing your tools more often. It's perfect for those moments when you're low on stamina and need a quick boost to escape a predator or reach a distant objective. Always keep a few on your hotbar for quick access during your adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.